Hawkins, and I am the creator and the owner of Bull City Music School. Today, I would like to take the time to welcome you to our very first open house in our new facility. Bull City Music School, we believe in meeting the student where they are instead of making the student conform to us. We also believe in nurturing the individual talent and the individual uniqueness that everyone brings through the door. With that, we take great pride in building a rapport with all of our students before we begin any music instruction with them. Here at Bull City Music School, we offer piano, drums, guitar, violin, and preschool music classes. We hope to expand with voice lessons, flute, and who knows what else. But one thing that we do pride ourselves on being here at Bull City Music School is we're unique. We play to each student and their uniqueness, never being cookie cutter because, you know, let's face it, cookie cutter gets kind of boring, and that wouldn't be how music is. So here at Bull City Music School, we hope to have you a part of our family. You can learn more about us on the web at www.bullcitymusicschool.com or follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Bull City Music School. And guess what? We're on Twitter too, Bull City Muse. We hope to have you a part of the family. Classes are ongoing and you can register as early as today. Look forward to having you a part of the family again. Y'all have a great day.